Well, hello, old friend. Looks like me and you have a date with destiny. Again. Yeah, folks. Any of y'all been with me for a minute? You remember the last time I come and looked at this old truck? Well, guess what? I believe it's four-wheel drive. Yep, four-wheel drive. F-250. Ranger XLT. Somebody's been back here picking on it. So before it can get picked to death, I think, what the hell? I'm gonna try to save the old girl. Because y'all know I want a truck. And I am not trying to spend 20 grand on anything anymore. This won't be my biggest project, but it will be a project. Is it automatic? Yep, automatic truck, which that makes it a little bit easier. It only needs everything. And then some. Perfect.